Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare a delicious vegetable soup, inspired by Chef Venkatesh Bhat's style. We'll go through the essential ingredients, the preparation steps, and the cooking method to achieve a rich, comforting soup. This recipe focuses on fresh vegetables and aromatic spices, ensuring a healthy and satisfying dish for any occasion. Get ready to create a culinary delight that's both nutritious and incredibly tasty. To begin, select about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as finely chopped carrots, green beans, and fresh peas. You'll also need 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger, all finely minced. For seasoning, have on hand a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a pinch of garam masala. Fresh cilantro or basil will add a lovely finish. First, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pot and sauté the minced ginger, garlic, and onions until they turn translucent, which takes about 3 minutes. Next, add your chopped vegetables along with the turmeric and coriander powders, cooking for 5 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. Pour in 4 cups of water or vegetable broth, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are perfectly tender. You can partially blend for a thicker consistency. Once your soup has reached the desired consistency, season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Stir in a pinch of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth. For a beautiful presentation and added freshness, garnish with finely chopped fresh cilantro or a few basil leaves. You can also add a swirl of light cream if you prefer a richer texture. Serve this comforting and nutritious vegetable soup hot, perhaps with a side of crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.